Hello guys, this is Mark transmitting, and today we'll be looking into encrypting files and actually keeping the files safe, keeping your own files safe under password encrypted so no one can break into. A program I very recommend for you to download is true-crypt. Here it is. And we'll look into downloading it. So first thing you do is you open your internet browser, go to Google, and just write true and this thingy, I don't know how you call this, space, god damn it, true crypt, enter. No, that's right, with Y. true-crypt, free open source on flight disk encryption software. You go into the result. You can donate to the program, but it's free download. And you go to, oh god, I forgot. Oh, you just push the button, and no, it's donating. Just a second. Oh, downloads. You go to downloads and download the latest version. There you go. You push download. I already have this, but so I'm not going to reinstall this again because it will be just stupid and no reason. But after you installed it, you wanna open this up, true-crypt, and there you go. You have a simple window, and true-crypt works like this. You create a thing called volume. Volume is actually a container, file container, which actually encrypts itself and can be opened only with passwords. So you create this container, file container, by pushing the button create volume. The usual thing, if you want to create a file container, you just select the first option, push next. There's standard and hidden. I mostly recommend standard because it's most convenient, and then you just choose where you want to locate the file. We'll choose, let's say, desktop, and we'll save it right here. Come on, what is it? Oh, you need to name first the volume or the file container. So let's name it volume. Save, and then you should choose never save history, which means that you over and over when you open the volume you need to search for it over and over, but I mostly recommend for it for this option, with this option checked, because you wanna be as much as silent with this file. Encryption algorithm, it's not meaning that much, and I recommend to go with the default. You can test this. I mostly not holding too much on this option. I mostly choose AES. Push next, and then you choose the size of the file container. It will actually like you can choose like 1 kilo. No, I think 1 kilobyte is oh, it can be 1 kilobyte. You can megabyte, gigabyte, any size that is available. But know that if you're about to put in a file with some space, you need to make the file container bigger than the file you need, because it will not grow by itself when you do that. We'll choose 1 megabyte because it's really fast and there's no different things then. Okay, you got it. Push next, and then you choose password. I'll display password so you can see, and we'll use the password. Let's see, 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, and confirm this. 1 2 3 4. You can use key files, but I am not going to go into this because it's actually files that are the password for your volume or file container, but you don't want to go too deep into that if you're just started to use this program. So we'll use the regular password, we'll confirm it right, push next. It says, warning, short passwords are easy to crack using brute force techniques. Brute force is when when a hacker uses a program application that runs every possible password into the input field and tries to guess the password. So that's why it's recommended to use some really long and complicated password, but I'm only demonstrating, so continue, yes. And then as more as you move your mouse, it encrypts more. You can see here random pool, it's the encryption, and it's automatically doing also switching once in a few seconds or in a second. But if you move it as much as possible, it makes totally random encryption. So after we moved our mouse in a while, we push format, and because it was 1 megabyte size, it created really quick. But if you go on 100 megabytes, it will be really slow, about, I don't know, half an hour to create the file container. It's created. If you want to create another one, do next. If not, do cancel or exit. Now, excuse me, drinking my tea, my cup of tea. Okay, we have our file, but let's exit for a moment. And let's see, we have our file. If we'll see on properties, it's saying nothing. It says it's a file, 1 megabyte size, nothing else. It's not indicating with what program this file was created, because the file itself is encrypted, and the only translator to the information there in the file itself is in true-crypt, and you need true-crypt to open this file and to translate the encryption into your files. So if you'll try open this just like this, the computer actually will don't know with what you wanna shoot or need to open this. So it asks you, what program would you like to use? The right way to open this program is open true-crypt itself, select file, and then you just select, we place this on desktop, so volume and mount, which says like open or use the file. You push it and it asks password, so let's display the password. What we've said, 4 times 0, 1 2 3 4. Okay, and there you go. You just double click it and you can save in here up to 1 megabyte files, or up to whatever you chose. After you finished working with this file, you need to push the button dismount when the volume you mounted is chosen. You push dismount and it's close. Very simple. I actually recommend using this program more than all, because it has a very, very powerful encryption. I don't know what happened, but it seemed that the recording just cut off at this moment. So yeah, all I wanted to say is actually a message for my 20 and something subscribers that actually did subscribe. Nothing happened actually. I don't know why I stopped making more videos, but I think I'll keep doing them because I really had fun doing them, and it's really satisfying to see that people actually like what I do and subscribe for it. So yeah guys, you can expect more things to come.